You'll get what you want to if you have faith in Him, the very source of life. Faith in Him, the source of life. You'll be receiving a miracle provision from the Father on high. Father on high. And it's the name of the Lord where we can hide. It's the name of the Lord. There is healing, it's the name of our God. What draws man to believe Him is power to forgive sin, is Jesus Christ our Lord. And He wants you to be with Him wherever He may go. He wants you. Jesus wants you. He wants you. He wants you. Jesus wants you. He wants you to be His people. He wants you to be His temple. He wants you. He wants you. He wants to be our Father, the only God, our Maker. He'll be the guiding light of our lives, the deliverer of our souls. He wants you. He wants you. Jesus wants you. You deserve the glory and the honor. Lord, I lift my hands in worship as I lift your holy name. You deserve the glory. You deserve the glory and the honor. Lord, I lift my hands in worship as I lift your holy name. For you are great. You do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. There is no one else like you. For you are great. You do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. There is no one else like you. You deserve the glory, get what you want to, and the honor. You have faith in Him, the very Lord, I lift my hands in worship as I lift to your holy name. You deserve the glory and the honor. Lord, I lift my hands in worship as we lift to your holy name. For you are great. You do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. He wants you to be His people. There is no one else like you. For you are great. You do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. He wants to be our Father. There is no one else like you. There is no one else like you. There is no one else like you. You'll get what you want to if you have faith in Him, the very source of life. He deserved the glory